Hello everyone, this is Ms. Suresh Jim, and today in this video I'm going to talk about the easy way of finding HCF. Well, first of all, HCF means the highest common factor. That means the number that divides all the given numbers exactly. The highest number that divides all the given numbers. So we have done the traditional method of finding factors like this, 9 and 12. For this, we find its factors, and we take common and we multiply to get the HCF. But in this video, I'm going to teach you the easiest way to find the HCF. So here we see. Let's find the HCF of two numbers 9 and 12. For this, we just find the difference. The difference of these two numbers is 12 minus 9, that is 3. Now, if this difference divides both the numbers exactly, then that is the HCF. So 3 times 9, 4 times 12. So HCF is 3. Well, let's take another example. 15 and 25. In this case also, we find the difference. (25 minus 15), that is 10. Now we find its factors. 10 is 2 into 5. Now check. These two factors divide exactly or not. Here 2 does not divide 15 as well as 25. So we cancel this. Now remaining is 5. So 5 3 times 15, 5 times 25. So 5 divides both the numbers exactly. So HCF is 5. It's simple. Let's take some more examples. 24 and 40. Here, the difference of these two numbers is 40 minus 24, that is 60. Now we find its factors. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Now, by each factor you divide the number and write down here. 2 divides 24, 2 divides 40. So after dividing, you get 12 and 20. So it's our one of the factor. Now after this, we check by these two. 2 6 times 12, 2 10 times 12, 2 10 times 20. It's also dividing. Now let's check by this one. 2 3 times 6, 2 5 times 10. So it's also our factor. Now 2 does not divide 3, 2 does not divide 5, so we discard 2. So HCF equals to product of these 3, 2, that is 8. So HCF of 24 and 40 is 8. Let's check for three numbers 20, 30 and 50. We did HCF of two numbers. Now we check for three numbers. In case of three numbers, we find difference of each numbers and we take the least difference. In this one, the least difference is here the difference is 10, here difference is 20, here difference is 30. So we are going to take the least difference, that is 10. Now 10 is 2 into 5. Now again we divide this number by 2. 2 10 times 20, 2 15 times 30, 2 25 times 50. After dividing by 2, we get 10, 15 and 25. So 2 is our one of the factor. And after this 5 2 times 10, 5 3 times 15, 5 times 25. 5 also divides. In another case, you can just divide by the least difference if it divides all the numbers exactly. 10 2 times 20, 10 3 times 30, 10 5 times 50. So the least difference is dividing. So here HCF is 10. So for three numbers also we can find HCF by using this method. Okay, let's take a little big number. We have taken a little big and a different numbers whose HCF we are going to calculate. Here also we find the difference first. In this one, 100 cancel, 65 minus 35 is 30. Here the difference is a little bit more than 30, so we don't need to calculate. And in this one also the difference is a little bigger than 30. So the least difference here is 30. Now after this we find its factors. 2 into 3 into 5. 2 3 times 6, 6 5 times 30. So we divide by 2. As the last digit is odd number, 2 doesn't divide, so we cancel it. Now we check by 3. And 3 4 times 12, 1 5 15, 3 5 times 15. 3 is dividing this one, 3 this one. 3 5 times 15, 1 5 15, 3 5 times 15, 3 7 times 21, but 5 is not divisible by 3, so we are going to cancel 3 also. Now at last the remaining number left, that is 5. As all the last digit of each number is 5, so 5 divides all the numbers easily. So HCF is 5. So by using this technique we can find the HCF of bigger numbers also. Let's take one more example. 220, 330 and 400. Here we find the least difference in this case also. By inspection we can find easily. It's 200, it's 300, it's 100 or 90 difference here. Here the difference is 330, 400, it's 70, and here a little big difference. So the least difference is 70. So least difference is 70, and now we find its factors. 2 5 times 10, 7 times 70. So for this we are going to check again by each number. 2 divides all the numbers, so we are going to take it. After dividing by this we get 110, 165 and 200. As this number has 0 at last, the 7 does not divide, so we are going to cancel it. And all digits, last digits are 0 and 5, so 5 divides each number, so 5 also we are going to take. So this way HCF is 2 into 5, that equals to 10. Well, it's amazing to find the HCF by the shortcut trick, and hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.